Oh, hey there! How you all doing? Hope you had a Merry Christmas. I'm busy working on the new recipes for my Harry Potter kitchen as we move on to the Chamber of Secrets. But as we're still in the festive season, I thought we'd bring you one final present, and that is the blooper reel from all of year one. And trust me, there's quite a lot for you all to catch up on. You might think that everything runs smoothly in the kitchen, but you'd be mistaken. So why don't you go and tuck into that, and I'll get back to planning some recipes. Oh, and stick around to the end. You might find a little surprise coming up for season 2.
Hello and welcome to My Harry Potter Kitchen, the YouTube series where I'm baking my way through all the Harry Potter books from, there you go, I tried. It's different this side. If you missed last week's episode for our homemade... Oh, sorry, how you doing?
My Harry Potter kitchen. Pipe out some splash slapes. Pipe them slapes. Awesome, I hope they enjoyed it. Do a little subscribes. See you next week. Done one.
We've done one.
End scene. So I found a very Petunia Dursley mug, which has got some lovely flowers on. They're actually flowers. It's literally so hard trying to explain to someone how you make a cup of tea. The police are here. Someone's been brewing the tea wrong. Sips tea. Fill your cup with the hot water. That's magic, y'all. Hello. Sports. So there you go, a sizzlingly good recipe for you to try at home. I want to give it a bit more of a year-round feel. That's your flour, sugar, aeroplanes, missiles, the moon. While you enjoy a nice treat. But I don't even know what to say next. It's Magic Monday. Recipes. I got a big hand way there. To take him to King's Cross on his first day. Is it his first day? No, it's on the last day of August actually. Pumpkin pasties. It is a lovely treat that you love. When they're good to fry, all you need to do is heat some oil. Oil? That's hot oil. Oil. And we're celebrating with a lit
change.
We're celebrating with a lit chocolate eclairs. This one's gonna be lit. And if you're a fan of fantastic beasts and where to find them, and you like a bit of that French cuisine, then this is definitely one for you to try out. It's in Crimes of Grindelwald actually.
Cut.
Are we rolling?
We are rolling.
Oh no.
I know you've got all that on the tape now.
Oh, Jeffrey.
Oh dear.
Where's my am I in?
So you go up, I'll say when the full book's in. Stop, the full book is in.
What about now? I'm gonna add an extra touch of magic, which is super melt in the mouthy, and that's not a word. NC. Disgusting. Inspired meringue kisses taste and feel a lot better than the ones from the Dementors. We're also going to season it at this point with salt, pepper, bay leaves, clover, shamamana, and lemon. Kind of halfway between a scone and a cake, or a biscuit and a scone or scone and a firework cracking outside. You want to have them on their own or with jam, cream. They are rocking. Harder and more crumbly than your scone. Loads of different toppings, or you can enjoy them on their own. Classic tea time treat. The texture is than a typical cookie. Now you can serve them with loads of British classic summer tea time filled with fresh fruit as well. Now I'm going to show you how to make a whole host of fillings and toppings, but whichever one you choose, they're going to be rocking. Yeah. Crumpets are an amazing breakfast treat, which is a light and fluffy little round thing with lots of holes in it, and the melt, the butter goes in. That's it. What the fudge? A Christmas dinner. It's time for the main meal. Had such a Christmas dinner. Look like. Harry! Did you put your name in a goblet of banter? Looks like Hagrid. I can finally take off this. Oh yeah, sorry. I lost my hair in the. I don't even know where did I lose it. In the Forbidden Forest. That's a bit of a tongue twister. Try saying that 7 times fast. Buttercream, butterbeer, butterbeer, buttercream, butterbeer, butter. You live a half life. A cursed life. Do not drink unicorn blood. You will live a cursed life. Do not make this at home if you don't want to live a half-life. A cursed life. Just remember this. You will live a half-life. A cursed life. Do not make this at home. This is for a special kind of dark, twisted human wizard thing. So much for your continued support on YouTube and on Instagram. It's been so much fun to come up with these recipes, and being able to share them with you has been phenomenal. So thanks. I'll see you next year. Bye. So there you go, a lot goes on behind the scenes at My Harry Potter Kitchen, but it has been so much fun over the last year and a half creating recipes from this series. If you haven't subscribed already, then make sure you hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you get an alert when we start the Chamber of Secrets next week. And I did promise you a little sneak peek, and that is going to be the brand new intro for My Harry Potter Kitchen. So why don't you check it out and let me know down below in the comments what you think. I'll see you next week.